How to fix TikTok shop not showing. So the very first thing that you have to do, if this option right here that says shop from TikTok is not be visible, is just to do a bit of a troubleshooting step. Now the very first thing that you have to make sure is to check if you're currently running the latest version or the updated version of the TikTok application. Just head over directly to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and then search for TikTok. And like this one right here, you have to tap on update and make sure that you are using the updated version of TikTok. Now, if this does not fix the issue, then what you want to do is to go ahead and press and hold on the TikTok icon on your phone and then head over to this eye icon right here, which will take you out to app info. Now after you're here, all you have to do is to go to the clear data and make sure to comply both of these options, just like clear all data and clear cache. And that's it. That's how you troubleshoot or fix TikTok shop not showing.